Okay, so what we've got here is first attempt at some rehydration. You see the little tiny hole drilled right there. And I took my very tiny snap-on set of very tiny snap-on drill bits. But the smallest one, which was 0.04 something, see it right there, choked up on it so tightly that I couldn't possibly drill far enough to hit the plates. Could only drill far enough to get through the plastic without hitting the plates. I've got distilled water and an old syringe from doing B12 vitamin shots, but it only holds 3 milliliters, and I've been told by the guys on Prius Chatt that you can get like 60 milliliters in one of these. But according to the guys on Prius Chatt, you have to have this out and turn it on its side for it to get the 60 milliliters in there, so it'll go from one to the other and go down in there and hit all 6 cells. You can see I'm running the vehicle right now, and it's warming up and it's starting to push some of the stuff out, and I need to bleed that off, make sure it doesn't get down in between the cells and cause corrosion, because it's mixing with the chemicals in there. That was only 4.5 of these syringes, which is 3 milliliters each, so 12, 14 milliliters. And that's only half of block 6, and that's only one cell of 6 cells. So I don't expect a lot of difference on the Dr. Prius app, which I'm not really seeing a lot of difference. We've got number 6 is right there. And I suspect I'm going to have to do a lot more hydration on number 6, like hit every cell and on both modules to make any noticeable difference at all, if any. That's this, guys, it's just an experiment. I don't know if this is going to do any good. I don't know if it's going to help anything. I don't know if we're going to get any change in the readings at all. But I'll keep doing it, and I'll keep videoing, and I'll keep you all updated. And I'll make a separate playlist for these hydration experiments, and I will put a link to the hydration experiment, the hybrid hydration experiment playlist at the end of this video and every video I make about it. I will also put a link to the hybrid repair playlist, where I do most of my more proven techniques involving like rebuilding battery packs and replacing cells and replacing modules, not cells. I'm sorry, I'm getting tired and I'm losing my vocabulary. So till the next video, get off the couch and get dirty. But in case you haven't seen my other videos, the triangle of doom is on most of the time. I just erased and reset the code so that we could see what's going on live with the Dr. Prius app while I'm experimenting with rehydrating the cells.